Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss that how to find the prime factors of a given number. Mainly we have two methods to find the prime factors. First one is the factor tree. This is the first method to find out the prime factors of a number that was already discussed in the previous video. So this is the second method. Method name is prime factorization method. So by using this method we have to find the prime factors of the number. For finding the prime factors, first of all हमें primes की knowledge होनी चाहिए. Primes are prime numbers that was already discussed in the previous videos. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. These are the primes and up to so on. So first of all, divide the number by 2. 12 is there. This is the first part, 12. So first of all, divide it by 2. पहले आप 2 से divide करके देखोगे. अगर 2 से 12 डिवाइड हो रहा है देन इट्स ओके. अगर कोई नंबर ऐसा है जो 2 से डिवाइड नहीं हो रहा है देन डिवाइड इट बाय नेक्स्ट प्राइम दैट इज 3. इफ देयर इज एनी नंबर दैट इज ऑल्सो नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 3, ना तो वो 2 से डिवाइड हो रहा है ना 3 से, देन डिवाइड इट बाय नेक्स्ट प्राइम 5. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 12 इज डिविजिबल बाय 2. 2 already we knew the table of 2. 2 6 is 12, so write down 2 here and 6 here. 2 6 is 12. 6 is there. Now 6 is divisible by 2, then it's okay. Now divide it by 2. Write down 2 here. We already knew that 2 3s are 6, so write down 3 here. So now this number 3 is not divisible by 2. That means this is not even number. So check for the next prime. Next prime is 3. So now this 3 is divided by 3. 3 1s are 3. आपने तब तक डिवाइड करना जब लास्ट नंबर आपके पास 1 आ जाएगा. सो दीज आर द प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ द गिवन नंबर 2 2 3. सो राइट डाउन हियर 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई चेक कर, आप चेक भी कर सकते हो इसको. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई दीज फैक्टर्स. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. This is 12. So that means our prime factorization is correct. Next is, let's discuss the next part, that is 40. 40 is here. Last आपके पास 0 है. This is 0 2 4 6 8. अगर आपके पास नंबर है तो 2 से डिवाइड हो जाता है. This is divisible by 2 again. 2 से फर्स्ट प्राइम इज 2, so divide it by 2. 2 को जब आप 40 से डिवाइड करोगे, 40 को जब आप 2 से डिवाइड करोगे, इट बिकम्स 2 2s are 4 and 0 here 0, like it. 2 20s are 40, so write down 2 here and 20 here. Again this 20 is divisible by 2, that is 2 10s are 20, so write down 2 here and 10 here. 2 10s are 20. 10 is again divisible by 2, so 2 5s are 10. Here 5 is there, so 5 is not divisible by 2. 5 is not divisible by 3. 5 is divisible by 5. So write down 5 1s are 5. Clear? So these are the prime factors of the number 40. 2, 2, 2 and 5. So multiply these factors. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5. Now multiply it. चेक कर सकते हैं हम कि हमारी फैक्टर्स ट्रू हैं या नहीं. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. So my answer is 40 and my question is also 40. So that means my factors are correct. Next is part number C, 18. 18 is there. So now 18 is divisible by 2. We already knew that 2 9s are 18. So write down 2 here and 9 here. 9 is not in the table of 2. So ये first prime पे नहीं जा रहा है. Now check for 3. 3 के टेबल में 9 आता है. 3 3s are 9. So again write down 3 here. This 3 is also divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3. 1 आ गया. So that means these are the prime factors. So 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. So that means our factors are correct. Same as it is, 32 is there. By using the prime, first prime, अब डिवाइड करके देखोगे 2 से डिविजिबल हो रहा है या नहीं. लेट्स डिस्कस द पार्ट नंबर E, that is 75. That number is 75. 75 is not divisible by 2. ये टू से डिवाइड नहीं होएगा बिकॉज लास्ट में आपके पास 5 है। हम 2 से डिविजिबिलिटी जब चेक करते हैं तो लास्ट डिजिट 0, 2, 2, 4, 6 और 8 होना चाहिए, तब कोई नंबर 2 से डिवाइड होता है। सो दिस इज़ नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 2। हाँ, ये 3 पे भी जा सकता है, 3 से आप इसको डिवाइड कर सकते हो या 5 से, दैट इज़ योर चॉइस। क्लियर? सो डिवाइड इट बाय 3 और 5, दैट इज़ योर चॉइस। डिवाइड बाय 5. When we divide 75 by 5, my answer is 15. 15 is there. So 15 is also divisible by 5. 5 3s are 15. So again 3 divide by 3. So our factors are 5, 5, 3. So write down here 5, 5, 3. 5 5s are 25. 25 3s are 75. So that means our prime factors are correct. This is the answer 75, and also question is there, that is 75. So this is the method, prime factorization method for finding the prime factors of the numbers. Thank you.